Hello, it's me again. I am going to teach you a mallet part, which is played on xylophones, and I'm so sorry that you guys don't have xylophones to be practicing on, but I'll at least sing it for you so you can kind of hear it and see how it sounds with this song, okay? And maybe it's something that you can kind of memorize, and then you can sing it along with the song as you learn the song as well. So we have a mallet part, and then on page 2, we have a hand drum part. Now this part, you can probably find something similar to a drum. Maybe you have an empty oatmeal container or like an old coffee container or something like that that you could play on just using your hand, playing a hand drum, okay? And then this is what they look like together. I probably won't show this to you again, but this is the xylophone part and then the drum part and how it fits together. Okay, these are all ostinatos. We've been talking about ostinatos. The first one is a melodic ostinato. The second one is a rhythmic ostinato. And it all goes to the Indian song Bandar Mama. Okay, the first note here is an F, C, F, C, F, C. Now this goes up to a G, G. Now we have an E, C, E, C, E, C, G, G. Okay? All right. F, C, F, C, F, C, G, G, E, C, E, C, E, C, G, G, E, C, E, C, E, C, G, G, E, C, E, C, F, C, F, F. And you'll notice that there is a repeat here, so you would sing it again, okay? Or actually you'd be playing it on a xylophone. Okay, the second one, the rhythmic ostinato. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, dope, monkey, pajamas for me. 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 And then you would repeat that over and over, okay? Here's that steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it again. Oh, dope, monkey, pajamas for me. Oh, dope, monkey, pajamas for me. Oh, dope, monkey, sorry, I messed that one up. I'll start right there on the pajamas. Pajamas for me. Oh, dope, monkey, pajamas for me.